This lesson is lesson 5.5, and we're learning how to divide by multiples of 10. Multiples of 10, don't forget, are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Basically, any two-digit number that ends in a 0, or a 3-digit, or 4-digit. Continue on and on. As long as it ends in a 0, it's a multiple of 10. Today's lesson is dividing by multiples of 10. Multiples of 10 are anything that ends in a 0. It could be a 2-digit, a 3-digit, a 4-digit. It doesn't matter as long as the number ends in 0, like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 160. Any of those are multiples of 10. Let's look at some sample problems. Our first one is, let me erase here. Oh, just ignore that writing. Our first problem is 250 divided by 50. You guys know that 5 goes into 25 5 times. Now that it's not 5, it's 50. So we have to take it all the way over to the hundreds place. 5 times 5 is 25, but you have your 0. So it is 250. Subtract and you have 0 left over. Your answer or quotient to the problem would be 5. Our next sample is 867 divided by 70. 70 cannot go into 8, but it can go into 86 one time. 1 times 70 is 70. Subtract and you have 16. You can bring down your 7. You have 167. We know that 2 times 70 is 140. So that's going to fit. 2 times 70 is 140. Subtract, and you have 7 and you have 2. You have nothing left to bring down. So 27 becomes our remainder. Let's look at another story problem. Todd made a table to show different plans he can use to save $500. Complete the table. Which plan can Todd use to save $500 in less than 16 weeks and have $20 extra? Explain how you found your answer. Well, let's start with B. We have $500 and we need to divide it by $30. 30 cannot go into 5, but it can go into 50 one time. 1 times 30 is 30. Subtract, and you have 20. Bring down 0. 30 is going to go into 200 6 times. I know that in my head because 6 times 3 is 18, and I added my 0. And I have 20 left over. So I have 16 with a remainder of 20. The question asked us if you have less than 16 weeks and have $20 extra. Well, we had 16 with a remainder of $20. So that's a possibility. Let's look at when we say $40. We have 500 divided by 40. 40 does not go into 5, but it goes into 50 one time. Equals 40. Subtract, and you have 10. Bring down your other 0. 40 is going to go into 100 2 times. 2 times 40 is 80. Subtract, and you have 20. Remainder of 20. That would take him 12 weeks. Maybe I should write in blue or pink. 12 weeks with $20 left over. And that fits our criteria also. Let's do one more. We have 500 divided by 50. 50 does not go into 5, but it goes into 50 one time. Equals 50. Subtract. Bring down your 0. 50 goes into 0 0 times. 0 times 50 is 0. Subtract. It's going to take you 10 weeks, but we have $0 left over. So 10 weeks. Now, our question asked that it takes less than 16 weeks and you have to have $20 extra. That is only done in our Plan C. Plan B takes 16 weeks, so it's not less than 16 weeks, and you have 20 left over. But Plan C is 12 weeks, which is less, and $20 left over. Go ahead and look to the next box on your blend space and see what your daily assignment is.